In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove anything from your photos in Photoshop. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to remove anything from your photos in Photoshop. So let's get started. So I have the lovely picture of a bird here. So the first thing I'll do is duplicate the layer by clicking Command J or Ctrl J on Windows to duplicate the layer. So I'll be making the adjustment on the layer copy. So the next thing I'll do is I want to select this bird out of the background, and I'll be using my lasso tool to make the selection. So I'll just go ahead and draw out the bird just like that. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then take it back to the beginning, and here I have the bird selected. So the next thing I'll do is I'll be using content area fill to fill out where this bird is on the background. So I can use the shortcut Shift Delete or Shift Backspace on Windows, or I go up here to my Edit tab and click Fill, and here I have the Fill dialog box. I'll make sure my color adaptation is checked. The mode here is normal, opacity is at 100, and the content here should be content aware fill. Then I'll click OK, and then we'll wait for Photoshop to fill out that area for us. And as you see here, we'll then click Command D or Ctrl D to deselect. And there we don't have the bird in the picture anymore, and this is what we had before and this is what we have now. So we've been able to successfully take out the bird from the background. Then another method I would like to show is patch tool method. Okay, so the first one was the content aware fill method. Then I'll be using the patch tool method as well. So I'll go ahead and duplicate the background layer once more, clicking Command or Ctrl J. Okay, then I'll go ahead to pick up my patch tool. Okay, you can see it under the spot healing or healing brush tool. You just right click and you see the patch tool there. Then I'll go ahead and make a selection of the bird once more, just like we did for the content aware fill method. Just make the selection. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, take it back to the beginning, and there we have it. Then as you see here, there's an arrow there that shows that we have to move the bird. So I'll go ahead and click on the bird, and then I would move it to where it's going to make that place look like nothing was there before. Okay, so I'll just, let's take it this way. So I think this looks perfect. If you see, the patch tool will just copy anywhere that you drag it to. So now make sure I place it very well. Get a good part here. I think this point looks okay. so I'll just release it, and then I'll click Command D to deselect, and I think I have a pretty good picture here. Photoshop tried to do a perfect job for me by removing the bird out of the picture, and that's how you can just quickly remove anything from your photos. Okay, and thank you so much for watching. If this video was helpful, please like this video, drop a comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing videos. Thank you so much for watching, and do have a good time. Bye bye.